We can create new list from a given sequence by using loops or map or filter function. This is another way list comprehension where you can create a new list by a simple short code. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists. Common applications are to make new lists where each element is the result of some operation applied to each member of another sequence or iterable. A list comprehension consists of brackets containing an expression followed by a for clause, then zero or more for or if clauses. The result will be a new list resulting from evaluating the expression in the context of for and if clauses which follow it. Let's create a new list. So for that I am taking an empty list L for I in range 10, that means it will take values from 0 to 9. L dot append I into I. So let's print it. Print L. So I get values from 0 to 9 and square of it. So can I write this in a simple way? In a single statement. So I'm trying to write x equal to, using list comprehensions, I into I for I in range 10 and print it. I get the same values in a single statement. So this is list comprehension. I can also create a list from an old one. So I'm taking a list first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using this list, I'm trying to create a new list. So x equal to a simple I into 3. I'm trying to multiply every element by 3 for I in L. Let's try to print it. So print x. So this is, I get new list by multiplying every element by 3. Let's take another example. I'm taking string hello 1 2 3, hello 1 2 3, and create a list out of it. So I'm taking I for I in S if I dot is digit. I'm putting a condition over here. Let's try to print it. Print x. I get only digits over here because I put a condition in this case. We can also use a function to create a list. So first I'm creating a function def f of a. It will just return a square. I'm taking a list L equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's create a list x equal to f of I for I in L, and let's print it. Print x. So I get square of everything. I can also use a filter in this case. So I'm using if I %2 equal to 0. So let's run it. I get 4, 60 and 36. That means I used filter over here. I'm trying to create a list of squares of all the even numbers from 0 to 9. So let's see. Let's try it first by using a map and filter function. So I'm creating a list L equal to list of, so list function is there. I'm trying to use map function So map function takes a any function and applies on a sequence. So I'm creating a function lambda, it takes I and I require square, so I into I. So this is my function on a data. So let's create a data. So data is numbers from 0 to 9, but it only requires even number. So I require a filter over here. So I'm taking a filter function. Again, I require a function over here. So I'm taking lambda for filter function I or a, where a %2 equal to 0. I'm trying to use this lambda on a data which is range 10. I'm trying to print it. So let's see what output we get. The output is, it's a list of squares of all the even numbers from 0 to 9. So let's see whether we can do it simply by using a list comprehension. So I'm creating L equal to I into I for all I in range 0 to 9 if, so it is a filter, if I %2 equal to 0. So let's see whether we get the same output. Print L. So the same output we can get by using list comprehensions. This is easier than using map and filter function.